Arbi Waterfalls, is located near Manipal, in Karnataka. A waterfall in the Western Ghats, it plunges from a height of 200 feet and is a great spot for trekking. Arbi Falls, also known as Arbi Falls, which is located in the Chamadi section of the Western Ghats, near Manipal. The hilly terrain of the place carves out a pavement, so that the rainwater can flow downhill, creating a picturesque waterfall. A seasonal waterfall, Arbi comes to life only during the monsoon. Flowing from the hill, near the Durga temple, you have to walk for half a kilometer, from Dasharat Nagar to reach the falls. June to October is the best time to reach the falls. Since the base of the waterfall is shallow, it's perfectly safe for tourists to play around and have a fun time. The water is supposed to be so pure that it can be used for drinking purposes. Since the waterfall is in the middle of a jungle, you can get easily lost finding your way, so we recommend getting a guide. It's also got a great wildlife attraction, including reptiles. Feel free to picnic here with family, but be sure to carry your own food. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For upcoming videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you.